What's up, content creators? Ever dreamt of quitting your day job and becoming a YouTube millionaire? Hold on, before you hit that unsubscribe button, I know what you're thinking. $1 million on YouTube? Is this another clickbait scam? Yeah, it can feel that way sometimes. But listen up, because today we're gonna break down the not-so-secret strategies successful YouTubers like MrBeast use to rake in serious cash. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. Building a YouTube empire takes work, dedication, and a plan. So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Alright, here's the deal. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. But there are key ingredients every YouTube millionaire has in their recipe for success. First, find your niche. What are you passionate about? Gaming? Makeup tutorials? Just look at Mark Rober. His engineering background and engaging explanations turned him into a science communication superstar. Second, quality content is king. Invest in good lighting, sound, and editing skills. But most importantly, focus on providing value to your viewers. Educate them, entertain them, inspire them. Take a cue from Michelle Phan's early beauty tutorials. They were high quality and informative, launching her into the beauty influencer stratosphere. Next, consistency is crucial. Upload regularly, keep your audience engaged. Tease upcoming videos, answer comments, build a community. Just like how Liza Koshy rose to fame with her hilarious, consistent uploads on Vine, then transitioned seamlessly to YouTube. Now, let's talk about the moolah. There are multiple ways to make money on YouTube. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own merch. The possibilities are endless. Look at how the Jogscast monetized their gaming channel through sponsorships and merchandise, building a loyal fanbase in the process. But here's the kicker. Don't get hung up on the money at first. Focus on building your audience, creating stellar content, and the money will follow. This journey won't be easy. There will be bumps, there will be haters, but with hard work and the right strategy, you can make YouTube your path to financial freedom. Look at these guys. They started just like you, with a dream and a camera. Now they're living proof that YouTube success is achievable. So, are you ready to join the YouTube Millionaire Club? Leave a comment below and tell me your niche. What kind of epic content are you gonna create? Throughout the video, sprinkle in fun challenges or polls to keep viewers engaged. Maybe even offer a free guide or cheat sheet with your top YouTube success tips, inspired by the journeys of these YouTube millionaires. Did this video inspire you to create epic YouTube content? Let me know in the comments.